Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the week of May 20th to May 26th. That's right, May 20th to May 26th, which means at the end of this week, we only have a week and a couple days left in our trimester. So it's a good time to remind everybody there is no extension as far as coursework goes for this trimester. So you want to make sure that you're on the calendar or ahead of the calendar, especially if you are a senior that's taken the course. Now, for this week, if you go into our current folder, we're going into Unit 14, and you see that's our last unit. So we're going assignments 3 through 7. So it's some topics that are very familiar to us: Kennedy, Vietnam, Nixon, things like that. So it's things that a lot of us have some experience with already, or we have some background knowledge on already. So that's what we have this week, lesson 3 to lesson 7. You see that we don't have much left after that. We have 4 regular assignments, including that study guide and then that test. So feel free to finish early. In fact, you make my life easier if you finish early because that gives me more time to grade everything. Now, speaking of grading everything, one thing that I'm seeing, or one thing that I do see a lot more of, and I'm starting to see it, is stuff that's coming in without your own words to it. Just remember, it's super important. I can't grade things that are not your own words. And so I want to be able to grade your understanding. So make sure that you're putting everything that you do in your own words. All right, we have a couple important dates then too. This Wednesday, I'm going to go into the grade book and I'm going to mark the rest of these assignments, including the ones for next week, as missing. And the reason I do that is because as we get to the end of the try, people like and expect certain grades. And so they kind of determine how much do I have to do to get that grade that I want. And so that gives you a little over a week to make sure, about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, in order to kind of work through that, finish the things that you need to earn that grade that you deserve. Now, the second date is Thursday, May 23rd. If you're a senior taking the course, that's the date I have to put a hold on diplomas if you're behind in the class, or it looks like there's a chance you may fail the class. So let's hope that's not the case for anybody. I would definitely reach out to you if that was the case for you. And so let's hope that number is 0 for us. So that's the big thing this week, lessons 3 through 7, just making sure that we get those done, but please feel free to work ahead. Reach out with any questions. Have a great week, and let's finish strong.